Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Food with Sankar. In today's episode, we are at Chigusta, one of the first gelato cafes in Hyderabad. Do you know how a gelato is made? Or do you know the difference between a gelato and an ice cream or a frozen dessert? Come, let me take you through the entire process of making a gelato. Ta-dam! We are at the behind the kitchens of Chigusta, where we're going to make the gelato from the scratch. I am completely sanitized, wearing a headgear, gloves, and all the equipments. All the ingredients are right beside me. Basically, the making of gelato has two steps. One with the wet ingredients, two is with the dry ingredients. So the basic first part we're going to use is the dry ingredients. First comes as the sugars, sucrose. Then there's the dextrose, which is basically corn sugars. And then we have is the skim milk powder. And the last is the base ingredient. So these four components belong to the dry section. So now we're going to mix them with perfect measurements, which I'm not going to share with you right now because it's a trade secret. So let's go. Here are the dry ingredients that are required for making a gelato. Sugars or sucrose, dextrose or the corn sugars, SMP, which is the skim milk powder, and the base mix. So we use two different kinds of sugars to balance the sweetness and the textures. And SMP, which is a skimmed milk powder, is basically used to control the solids and the liquids. And the base, is used. And now we're going to mix this all together, dry ingredients, nicely. And then we're going to go for the wet or the liquid ingredients. Now we have taken the liquid ingredients, which is basically fresh cream and milk. Fresh cream to increase the fat percentage in the gelato by not increasing the liquid content. That is the reason we use the fresh cream. And then we use the 4.5% regular buffalo milk. That is the reason we say that gelatos are more healthier because they do not have vegetable fats like the frozen dessert has, and it has got all natural milk-based fats and solids in it. So we have taken both as per measurements, and now we are going to mix these two ingredients together, and then the next process. Now we are bringing the solids and liquids together. Now we're going to use a hand blender to blend it. So now we have got the both dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. Once they are mixed thoroughly, we're going to send it for pasteurization at 85 degrees centigrade. After the pasteurization process is done, the liquid is taken into a jar and added with the desired flavor of your choice. Here we have added vanilla extract, and then it is added into the machine to get the rich, creamy gelato out of it. And here you see the Kunafa Classic is made at Chigusta. The base gelato is made from gelato mix and mascarpone cheese and topped with the roasted vermicelli, which is mixed with pistachios and sugar syrup. So that is for you the brilliant and the delicious classic Kunafa gelato. That's how gelati is made. The plural singular sense of gelatos is tea. So that's how my dear friend told me about. So this is the kunafa gelato, and this is the plain vanilla gelato. So now I'm going to dig into it. The plain one initially. Oh my goodness. It's creamier, smoother, silkier, as well as denser than the regular ice cream, for sure. Because it's got less amount of fat, more amount of milk, it's very healthy. And now I'm going to dig into the kunafa. Too good. Do like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, happy dining. Thank you, Praveen. It was a pleasure meeting you. You are in the frame. नहीं तुम ऐसे हो ना, हूँ ना, मैं हूँ ना, मैं हूँ ना.